Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am very happy that you are here today. This channel is for all of us who know some English but can't speak it freely. And I want to be honest with you. I am also learning English just like you. So here, there is no teacher and no student. We are all learners together. In every episode, I will tell you a simple story. Inside that story, I will show you how English sentences are made. You will see a table on your screen. That table will show you the wrong sentence and the right sentence. So you will never get confused. You will always know what is correct and what is wrong. Today is episode 1. Our story is about a common man named Raju. His morning is just like your morning, just like my morning. So let us begin. Every morning, Raju opens his eyes. He looks at the clock. The time is 6 o'clock. He says to himself, "It is morning. I need to get up." He gets up from his bed. He goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. The water is cold. He says, "The water is very cold today." Now, let us stop here for one moment. Look at the screen. I am showing you a table right now. Look at this table carefully. In the wrong column, I write Raju wake up. He go, he wash, but these are all wrong. In the right column, I write Raju wakes up. He goes, he washes. Do you see the difference? Yes. The letter yes is coming at the end. Now, why does yes come here? Because Raju is one person. He is one man. In English, when we talk about one person, one man, or one man, or one thing, we always add yes at the end of the action word. He wakes, she goes, it works. This rule is called the present simple tense rule. And this rule will come again and again in our story. So keep this table in your mind. Let us continue. After washing his face, Raju goes to the kitchen. His mother is in the kitchen. She is making tea. The smell of tea fills the room. Raju feels happy. He says, "Good morning, mother." His mother says, "Good morning. Tea is ready." Raju says, "Thank you. I'm very hungry." His mother says, "Breakfast is ready. Please sit down." Raju sits on the chair. He drinks his tea slowly. The tea is hot and sweet. He says, "This tea is very good." His mother smiles. Now let us stop again. Look at the screen. I am showing you the second table now. Look at this table. This table is about three very important words in English. These three words are am, is, are. These three words are used every single day in English, so you must understand them clearly. With I, we always use am. I am hungry. I am happy. I am ready. With he, she, it, we always use is. He is tired. She is ready. It is cold. With you, we, they, we always use are. You are good. We are together. They are happy. This is not difficult. Am with I. Is with he, she, it. And are with you, we, they. Look at the table one more time. Wrong. I is hungry. Right? I am hungry. He are happy. Right? He is happy. Keep this table in your mind. This is the most important rule in English. After breakfast, Raju gets ready for work. He goes to his room. He wears his shirt. He wears his shoes. He combs his hair. He looks in the mirror. He says to himself,
I'm ready. I'm looking good today. He picks up his bag. He checks his bag. Everything is inside. His phone is there. His water bottle is there. He is satisfied. He walks to the door. He opens the door. Now let us stop here. Look at the screen. I'm showing you the third table now.
Look at this table. The rules are coming together here. First rule. He, she, it always takes yes. He wears, he looks, he walks. And second rule. When something is happening right now, at this very moment, we use am, is, are with the action word and add ing at the end. I am looking good today. The action is happening right now. So I am looking, not I looking. This is called present continuous tense. Present simple tells us what always happens. We wakes up every morning. That always happens. And present continuous tells us what is happening right now. I am looking in the mirror. That is happening right now. Two tenses, but both present. Both about today. Both about now. Now let us continue our story. Raju steps outside. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. The air is fresh and cool. Raju takes a deep breath. He says, "Today is a good day." He starts walking towards his work. On the way, he meets his neighbor Suresh. Suresh is also going somewhere. Suresh says, "Good morning, Raju. Where are you going?" Raju says, "Good morning, Suresh. I am going to work." Suresh says, "How are you today?" Raju says, "I am fine. I am feeling good today. Thank you." "How are you today?" Suresh says, "I am also good. The weather is very nice today." Raju says, "Yes, I like this weather very much." Suresh says, "Me too." "Okay, Raju, have a good day." Raju says, "Thank you, Suresh. You too. See you later." Suresh smiles and walk away. Raju continues walking. He is happy. He is ready for his day. Now, let us stop one last time. Look at the screen. I am showing you the fourth and last table of today. Look at the last sentence in the table. I like this weather very much. This sentence is correct as it is. No yes at the end of like. Why? Because yes only comes with he, she, it. With I, the verb says the same. I like, I drink, I walk. No yes. But he likes, she drinks, he walks. Yes comes only with he, she, it, not with I. This is a very common mistake that people make. So always remember, I like, not I likes. Now, look at the other sentences in the table. Where you going is wrong. Where are you going is correct. Because with you, we use are. I going to work is wrong. I am going to work is correct. Because with I, we use am. These small words am, is, are, they complete the sentence. Without them, the sentence is broken. So today, in one simple story about Raju's morning, we learned 5 important grammar rules. He, she, it always takes yes. I always uses am. He, she, it always uses is. You, we, they always use are. And when action is happening right now, use am, is, are with ing. These rules are the foundation of English. Every sentence you speak every day uses these rules. Do not try to memorize them. Just watch our stories, watch them again. The rules which enter your mind naturally. Now, your homework for today is very simple. Just say this one sentence out loud right now. I am ready for today. Say it. I am ready for today. 3 rules in one sentence. I am ready. Say it with confidence. In episode 2, Raju goes to the market, new story, new sentences, same simple learning. If this video helped you today, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with one friend who is also learning English. Because when two people learn together, they both grow faster. Thank you so much for watching. See you in episode 2. Have a good day.